Harley-Davidson V-Rod. The Harley-Davidson V-Rod is a perfect mix of muscle and modern design. It delivers an exciting ride that truly represents American motorcycle craftsmanship. With its unique look, the V-Rod stands out. It combines a bold style with advanced engineering, making it a favorite among those who love performance. Powered by a liquid-cooled 1250cc Revolution engine, developed in partnership with Porsche, this machine offers incredible power and torque. Every time you twist the throttle, you feel the rush. The V-Rod's low-slung frame, wide rear tire, and unique exhaust design give it a powerful presence while improving stability and handling. Its modern features, like a sleek digital display and an advanced braking system, add precision and control to its raw power. Starting at around $177,000, the Harley-Davidson V-Rod blends tradition and innovation, offering a fresh take on the classic cruiser. 4+2 UTV Off-Road Model. The 4+2 UTV Off-Road Model is built for tackling tough terrain and off-road adventures. This four-seater offers a roomy cabin with comfortable seating for 4 adults. As a bonus, it has 2 flip-up seats in the cargo bed for extra passengers on short trips. With a high-strength steel frame and durable suspension, it handles rough roads and uneven ground easily. The powerful engine provides plenty of torque to climb steep hills and get over obstacles. Large all-terrain tires give excellent traction, and hydraulic disc brakes ensure strong stopping power. It even comes with a winch to help in tricky situations. Whether you're exploring off-road trails, hauling cargo, or enjoying outdoor adventures, the 4+2 UTV is a reliable and comfortable companion for any journey. Baglietto My Rush. The Baglietto My Rush is a full-displacement steel superyacht that makes a bold statement. It's over 100 meters long and combines tradition with innovation. Its sleek, modern design hides a powerful engine that can reach speeds over 20 knots, making for an exciting cruising experience. Inside, you'll find unmatched luxury spread across multiple decks. Spacious cabins offer stunning ocean views, and large living areas are perfect for hosting guests. If you're looking to relax, there's a dedicated wellness area with a spa, gym, and infinity pool. Customization is a big part of My Rush. Owners can personalize everything from the interior design to adding features like a helipad or a garage for smaller boats. While the price is not publicly available, My Rush is clearly a yacht designed for those who want the very best. PW Orca. The PW Orca is a cargo drone designed for long-distance transport. With a wingspan of 3 meters, it can carry up to 15 kilograms of cargo at a speed of 110 kilometers per hour. What sets the PW Orca apart is its ability to fly like an airplane and land like a helicopter. This means it doesn't need a special landing pad, making deliveries more flexible. While the drone is in the air, the delivery company can prepare the next shipment. Thanks to a modular slider system, loading is quick and efficient. Once the cargo is ready, the PW Orca can follow a new route, controlled remotely using preset coordinates. This innovative transport method speeds up delivery times and helps reduce road congestion caused by traditional delivery vehicles. The PW Orca is a smart solution for businesses that need faster and more efficient ways to move goods over long distances. Stratospheric Aquatica. The Stratospheric Aquatica is a concept vehicle created by Pier Paolo Lazzarini, designed to travel both on water and in the air. This unique craft allows 2 people to move in style. On water, the Stratospheric Aquatica uses an extendable foil that stays submerged. This keeps the vehicle stable by lowering the center of gravity and makes cruising smoother. A self-balancing system also helps improve control, allowing the pilot to adjust the tilt for easier navigation. But the real magic happens when it transforms into an air vehicle. With the flip of a switch, the Stratospheric turns into an aircraft. Jet engines propel it into the sky, reaching speeds of up to 30 knots. The pilot controls the vehicle through a central console, making it perfect for thrill seekers and adventurers. Though it's still a concept, the Stratospheric Aquatica captures the imagination with its innovative design and potential to change personal transportation in the future. Australia Vera Ports. Australia is preparing to transform urban transportation with the introduction of Vera Ports. These advanced hubs are designed to support the growing vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft industry. These cutting-edge facilities will accommodate electric and hybrid aircraft, allowing for quick and eco-friendly travel across cities and regional areas. Vera Ports will include multiple landing pads, charging stations, and efficient passenger processing areas. These features will ensure smooth operations and help reduce traffic congestion by introducing a new layer of air transportation. Although Vera Ports are still in the planning phase, pricing details are not yet available. However, the investment in this infrastructure shows Australia's commitment to making air mobility an essential part of modern city life. This visionary approach could reshape transportation, making cities more accessible and opening up the skies for a new way of travel. Watercraft Flyway. The Watercraft Flyway is an innovative electric scooter created by the Slovenian company Hi-Fly Water Sports. This eco-friendly watercraft stands out with its unique design and performance. Unlike traditional jet skis, the Flyway uses a propeller and a hydrofoil wing. At higher speeds, the hydrofoil lifts the hull out of the water. This reduces drag and provides a smoother, more thrilling ride. Steering is managed through handlebars that control a rudder, giving jet ski enthusiasts a familiar feel. While the exact technical specifications haven't been released, the Flyway features a user-friendly display on the handlebars. This display shows speed and battery life. Additionally, the Flyway includes a built-in Bluetooth speaker, allowing riders to enjoy music as they glide over the waves. Although it is currently sold out, the Flyway represents an exciting advancement in the electric watercraft market. It offers a sustainable and exhilarating alternative to traditional jet skis. Pegasus Flying Car. The Pegasus Flying Car is changing the way we think about transportation. This groundbreaking vehicle combines the convenience of a traditional car with the freedom of flying. Designed for both city and country use, the Pegasus features advanced aerodynamics and a modern propulsion system. It allows for an easy switch between driving on roads and flying in the sky. This innovation helps reduce traffic congestion and shortens long commutes. The Pegasus Flying Car has a sleek, futuristic design and intuitive controls, making it a marvel of engineering. It's designed to be practical and accessible for today's world. By blending cutting-edge technology with real-world functionality, the Pegasus sets new standards in both personal and commercial transportation. It gives us a glimpse into a future where mobility is both flexible and exciting. Perso Inception Concept. The Perso Inception concept imagines a future where electric vehicles are more than just transportation. They blend sleek design, strong performance, and sustainability. This four-door sedan stands out with its attractive, feline-inspired design, featuring dynamic curves and sharp lines that highlight its agility. The car has a Skyspace panoramic glass roof that changes color, turning the interior into a unique and atmospheric space. Inside, the next-generation cockpit includes a high-tech control system, a Halo cluster dashboard, and immersive seats. This setup promises an intuitive and engaging driving experience. Under the hood, the Inception is powered by a powerful 500 kilowatts electric engine. It can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and has an impressive range of 800 kilometers. Charging is convenient with wireless technology, providing 30 kilometers of range per minute. Beyond its impressive performance, the Inception shows Perso's commitment to innovation and design. It represents the brand's forward-thinking approach to electric mobility, making it a standout symbol of their vision for the future. Monoc Cab. About a third of the world's population lives in rural areas. In these peaceful and spacious regions, transportation can be a major challenge. Without personal cars, daily life can become inconvenient. The Monoc Cab project offers a new solution for rural transportation. It reimagines rail travel by introducing on-demand capsules. Similar to hailing a cab through an app, these capsules can be called when needed. There are two types of capsules: passenger and cargo. The standard passenger capsule can carry up to 6 people. The Monoc Cab project is currently being tested in Germany and has received support from an EU program. By the end of 2023, Monoc Cab aims to provide a promising new way to meet the transportation needs of rural communities. LOF Nano. The Nano is a cutting-edge robotic electric vehicle designed for firefighting. It is built to handle challenging conditions where access to fires is difficult due to intense heat, rough terrain, or other hazards. The Nano features dual engines and can carry up to 250 kilograms or tow up to 500 kilograms. This makes it perfect for transporting essential equipment and rescuing victims from dangerous areas. It can reach speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour and has a ground clearance of 15 centimeters, allowing it to navigate rough terrain easily. In addition to its ground capabilities, the Nano can be used on rail tracks with specialized accessories. This adds to its flexibility and usefulness in emergency situations. The Nano represents a significant advancement in firefighting technology, offering vital support to firefighters and improving their ability to respond effectively in tough conditions. ASAP Hybrid Helicopter Concept. The ASAP Hybrid Helicopter concept is a visionary design created by students at ISD Valenciennes. This concept combines a traditional combustion engine with electric motors to reduce fuel consumption and noise pollution. The ASAP features sleek ducted fans powered by electric motors and a main rotor driven by the combustion engine. This design aims to improve efficiency during takeoff and landing. Once in the air, the helicopter can switch to a more sustainable flight mode. The ASAP also has retractable landing gear and a streamlined body, which suggest excellent aerodynamic performance. Although it's not yet a working prototype, the ASAP concept represents a big step toward innovative and eco-friendly helicopter design. It paves the way for a greener era in aviation. The Albatross Rocket. The Albatross Rocket was a visionary concept from the Soviet era. It featured a three-stage hydrofoil system designed to launch a space shuttle from water, eliminating the need for traditional launchpad infrastructure. The first stage was the Albatross Momentum Block. This was a large, 2-ton hydrofoiling barge, 70 meters long. The second stage used the Albatross carrier aircraft. This 91-meter delta wing plane was powered by a powerful liquid oxygen or liquid hydrogen rocket engine. It supported the next stage of the launch. The final stage was the Albatross RCO Space Shuttle, a 49-meter vessel equipped with its own rocket for reaching orbit. The project began in 1974, a collaboration between Sukhoi and hydrofoil expert Rostislav Alexev. The goal was to use reusable components and water-based launches, achieving speeds of up to 180 kilometers per hour before liftoff. The Festo Bionic Swift. The Festo Bionic Swift is a remarkable blend of nature and technology, soaring into the future. Imagine a creature that combines the grace of a bird with the precision of a machine. That's the Festo Bionic Swift. This robotic marvel is designed with the elegance of natural flight. It glides smoothly through the air, with wings that showcase cutting-edge innovation. Each flap of its wings demonstrates perfect motion and aerodynamics, seamlessly blending form and function. The Bionic Swift is more than just a stunning creation, it's a symbol of what we can achieve by drawing inspiration from nature. While its price is not publicly known, the Bionic Swift represents a dream brought to life. It embodies the spirit of inspiration and pushes the boundaries of robotics. Ascend Dynamics Skyhawk V1. The Ascend Dynamics Skyhawk V1, originally developed in a garage, has the potential to revolutionize many fields. It can navigate indoor spaces and might even replace drones in various scenarios. This makes it useful for rescuers, wind turbine technicians, and firefighters. Currently, the Skyhawk V1 faces a challenge with its electric power source, limiting its flight time to just 2 minutes on a single charge. However, the upcoming Skyhawk X aims to overcome this limitation. It is expected to extend flight time to about 30 minutes or more. The Skyhawk X will also feature a significant boost in power, reaching around 135 horsepower, and an increased payload capacity of 136 kilograms. As Skyhawk technology advances, it promises to open new possibilities for aerial mobility, transforming how we tackle tasks that were once considered too difficult or impractical. The SP-80. The SP-80, created by young Swiss engineers, is not just a sailboat, it's a futuristic marvel. Powered entirely by wind, this innovative craft uses a massive 65-foot kite to reach incredible speeds. The goal is to hit 80 knots, 150 kilometers per hour, aiming to break the current sailing speed record. Its special foil design reduces drag, making it sleek and aerodynamic. The first voyage in 2024 will be an exciting event, showcasing both speed and the potential of renewable energy. While the price is still unknown, similar projects suggest it could cost around $1 million. The SP80 is more than a boat. It represents a bold leap forward in using nature's power for a sustainable future. The SP80 represents innovation in the future of sustainable sailing. Lazareth LMV 496. The Lazareth LMV 496 is a groundbreaking creation by French engineer Ludovic Lazareth. It is the world's first transforming flying electric motorbike, showcasing incredible innovation in transportation. On the ground, the LMV 496 functions as a high-performance electric motorcycle with a range of about 60 miles. However, its true marvel appears with the flip of a switch. Jet engines unfold from each wheel hub and tilt downward, turning the LMV 496 into a flying machine. These turbines use kerosene to produce an impressive 1,300 horsepower, allowing brief flights of around 10 minutes. As a limited edition with an estimated price of around $500,000, the Lazareth LMV 496 represents the peak of automotive ingenuity and offers a glimpse into the future of personal air travel. Oso ETRce. The Oso ETRce is a groundbreaking winter sports product. It is the world's first electric snowbike, blending the features of a sled and an electric mountain bike. This unique snowmobile offers an exciting and stable ride. It has a detachable battery pack that provides up to 45 kilometers of range. The bike is powered by a 250W SOC RS motor, which helps it reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour. It also features a continuously variable gearbox and a high-performance rubber track from Camso. The ETRce's sturdy aluminum alloy frame supports an ergonomic composite seat, ensuring comfort for users weighing up to 120 kilograms and standing between 145 centimeters and 200 centimeters tall. With a price of €7,990 and an additional €250 for delivery, the ETRce combines user-friendliness with the thrill of snow sports. It represents a major step forward in eco-friendly and enjoyable winter activities. Vertical Aerospace Aircraft. Introducing the Vertical Aerospace VX4, a groundbreaking electric airplane designed to transform urban travel. This innovative aircraft can take off and land vertically, eliminating the need for long runways. The VX4 is built for city flying, focusing on environmental friendliness. It operates on electricity, powered by efficient batteries and motors. This setup makes it ideal for short trips within busy cities. The primary goal of the VX4 is to tackle traffic congestion by offering a modern transportation solution. It may even have the capability to fly autonomously, enhancing safety and efficiency. For the latest updates on the Vertical Aerospace VX4, including its development and specifications, visit the company's official website and check reliable aviation news sources. Daymak Spiritus Prototype. Introducing the Daymak Spiritus Prototype, a sleek and eco-friendly three-wheeler that represents the future of electric vehicles. Its stylish and aerodynamic design is more than just eye-catching, it delivers impressive performance and advanced features. The Spiritus Prototype can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.8 seconds, making it the world's fastest three-wheeler. But it's not just about speed. This vehicle features cutting-edge wireless battery charging technology, offering a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. Beyond its striking exterior, the Spiritus Prototype is equipped with smart technology. It can mine cryptocurrencies and handle transactions using the Nebula suite. This means it can even generate income while idle or charging. The Daymak Spiritus Prototype is more than just a vehicle. It symbolizes the future of environmentally conscious innovation, blending style, performance, and forward-thinking technology.